Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a maximize conversions bid strategy in Google Ads. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. You log into Google Ads, you navigate to tools, under budgets and bidding, you click bid strategies and you click the plus symbol. You select maximize conversions because you feel that this is what you want. You want conversions, you want to maximize them. It feels good, it sounds good. Let's actually do it. Stop one moment there. This title is misleading. Keep in mind that this strategy, if you want to apply maximize conversions, it means that the system will bid as aggressively as possible in order to get conversions. It means that the system will not care about how much a conversion will cost. It will go and try to get conversions at any cost. What this means practically now, to make it simple, is that most of the time when people apply this strategy, they burn their budget and they get conversions at a very high cost per conversion, cost per acquisition. There is a way to counter that. So stay with me because we are going to explain everything. Step number one now, going back to what we do, we give a name to our strategy. So test, maximize conversions bid strategy. It doesn't really matter the name as long as you can remember what it is. And now we are going to select who owns this bid strategy. If you are using a manager account like me, you will have the option to decide if the MCC, the manager account, owns the strategy or the individual account. Now we can select the campaigns that we want to apply this bid strategy to. We can either select them or we can skip this and we can do it at a later time. And now the important point. Point number one, deselect the create a shared budget to use this portfolio bid strategy. We want to always go with individual budgets for every campaign. And very important, in order for your maximize conversion strategy to not go crazy and bid crazy cost per clicks and get you the conversions, but get you the conversions at a super high cost, we need to set a target cost per action. So this shouldn't be optional, it should be mandatory in my opinion. So if you want to use maximize conversions because you really want to maximize conversions, and that's great and fair enough, but you don't want to go crazy in terms of the cost, always cap the target CPA. Now, how should we cap the target CPA? What kind of numbers should we give here? Ideally, you have some history of conversions already, which means that you know what is your current cost per acquisition. And in this case, you need to go 10% lower than that. You need to go steady and slow when it comes to decreasing your CPA. So if, let's say, we're achieving a cost per acquisition of $100, we're going to give 90. So don't be greedy and say, okay, we have conversions that cost us $100, let's actually do it for 10, because the strategy will not work. We need to be realistic. So go 10% lower. A popular question here, I don't have any conversion history. I don't have any historical data. I'm using this strategy because I'm hoping to get conversions. This strategy is not for you. Personal opinion, but if you don't have any data, if you didn't achieve any conversions at the moment, don't go for maximize conversions bid strategy, because A, you will just guess here what is going to be your target cost per action. So you won't be able to actually put a target cost per action that makes sense. And B, if you want to deselect this and say, okay, let's maximize conversions, let's do it YOLO, it is not going to work, because again, the strategy is designed to get conversions at any cost, which means you are saying the system, just max my cost per click, bid as aggressively as you like, and just get me at least one conversion. So if you don't have conversions at the moment, if you're just getting started, I would recommend you to go with first either manual CPC or maximize clicks, get some conversions, test the waters, get some history, check what is your current cost per acquisition, And then based on this data, you can come here, you can create a maximized conversion bid strategy. Then you can also cap it, for example, and here we go. Who should use this strategy? If you have a lot of conversions that are coming through, you have historical data that you can use, you want to scale, and you want to be aggressive because it's peak period, maybe it's Christmas season, it's Ramadan, it's Chinese New Year, whatever, let's say it is. So you want to really be aggressive, you have your historical data, then by all means use the strategy, set a target cost per acquisition so that you don't go ballistic and crazy, and enjoy the results. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone.